Hi, good morning. This is Shaileshra ma'am. My dear students, I know you all are safe and I really wish that you're good safe and you're taking good care of yourself. I too find taking good care of myself. And my name is Shaileshra ma'am, and I'm taking grade for English today, and a new lesson we're going to start. Now, what is lesson name? Must be excited, right? Mm, can you guess? It's very interesting topic actually. Okay, I'll give a hint and just we'll discuss. You heard about valley? Have you seen the valley before? Or what do you mean by valley? A valley is a place between two mountains, right, or the hills, where often a river flowing through it, right? And where we can see here it is, if I'm speaking more of in near Himalayas, where mountains are more, hills are more, we can see that. And this is about the place. There is a one valley, and which falls in the slope of Kanchanajunga. Now, what is a Kanchanajunga? It is the highest mountain in the world, right? And children, in especially those people who live these places, a small community, a group of people, they speak their own language and their food style according to the place, the weather of the place, depending on the places, and where the cloth, it's completely changed, right? So to get a feel to that how exactly, like we'll take example of Sikkim, that it's about how the people of Sikkim lives, their style is very different because their weather is different. Actually, to be honest, every 12 kilometer, even though you belong into same district, even though you belong to same state, every 12 kilometer, people have a different, even the language, the way of speaking, the accent, and the clothing style, the food, it changes, it differs, And India, we have a different, so many languages, so many culture we can see. Okay, so just to get a feel of how the hill station people live, how the culture, the food, we'll see in one video so that you can understand better. I'm sharing my screen with you all. Okay, isn't it beautiful? Um, Okay, student, isn't it beautiful? I just enjoyed a lot. Same, I want to hear from you also. And I believe, yes, of course, you have enjoyed too. The culture, the dressing style, and how they, because of the food style, everything is different. Because of the place, it differs place to, that cool Saheli place, how the community people are living, especially Sikkim. Now, you to guess, as I said, I started with the valley. Our lesson name is Happy Valley. Wow, sounds great, right? Happy Valley. Shall we see the lesson? I want to show the lesson to you all. So I'm sharing my screen to you all. Okay. Now we'll see the textbook. Going to grade 4. Students, I always told you all that whenever we are reading a new book or new lesson, we'll come across many new words, and without understanding what is the meaning of that, it's really tough to understand. Complete 100%. So, always important the words which highlighted in our textbook, usually it comes like that. So the words which highlighted, we'll understand the meaning, then we'll read the lesson, okay? The Happy Valley. Mm. Okay, we can see the valley between this small river between through this hill and mountain, and the person who's holding a stick and walking. Let's see who he is. See his dress and see the view. This scenery picture. Beautiful it is, the location. Four words are highlighted here. That is about home. Meaning is home. Ancestors, forefathers. Fierce, violent, and frightening. Virtuous, having high moral standard. These are the four words we have read the meaning also. You can see in your textbook, it is there. Okay, students, let's start the lesson. The Lepchas live on the Kanchenjunga slopes. Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain in the world. Kanchenjunga, according to them, is a scared abode of gods. And high above the hills, behind Kanchenjunga, is a mile, a beautiful secret valley. The ancestors of the Lepcha, a tribe are believed to inhabit a mile. However, no one can reach mile as a path towards it's protected by fierce demons. The passage is also blocked by a large heavy rock. The rock cannot be removed by any human. Earlier, ancestors would come down to the valley of the Lepchas, but then they felt that the new generation of the Lepchas was not virtuous enough. So they stopped coming. The Lepchas were unhappy and tried looking for the elders but could not find them. Student, what we understood in this three paragraph is that in the Kanchenjunga slopes, there is a people who lives, Lepchas were living. Now, to get little information about Lepchas, we just see that in the textbook, in the last page, they have given us some information about, do you know about Lepchas? So, shall we see that? I'll scroll down. See here, do you know the Lepchas are the original inhabitants of Sikkim? It's a fact, students. They live on the southern and eastern slopes of Mount Kanchenjunga in Bhutan and Nepal. One more fact, the Lepcha language is known as a Rongring. Lepcha villages consist of 15 to 20 houses scattered on hillside or on forest. Lepcha dishes are less spicy than other Indian food. Their principal food crop is rice. Wow, we got so much information about Lepchas to understand them better. So students, in the lesson, we have read the 3 paragraphs, right? So what actually they are saying is that the Lepchas live in the Kanchenjunga slopes like this community, and according to them, a scared abode of gods and high above the hills. Abode means scared gods, the gods' houses in a hill. Behind the Kanchenjunga, there is a Mail Valley. Okay, secret valley they used to call. There God was living, they used to believe. And they say, believe that ancestor of Lepcha tribe believed. They believed in inhabited Mail, and however, no one has reached the Mail in the past towards, because the path towards there are protected by the fears of demons, and also they blocked the road with a big stone. So nobody can go there, and nobody, especially humans, cannot move that. Earlier, ancestors would come down to the valley of the Lepchas, but they felt the generation has changed, children has changed. Why they kept a gap? They kept a gap, and there is no closeness in the, between of them. So the ethics also they don't follow. So Lepchas was not virtuous enough, so they stopped coming. The Lepchas were unhappy and tried looking for the elders. They were looking for the elders but could not find them for them. This is the lesson in the Happy Valley first page with the meaning, with little knowledge about Lepcha and the fact we have learned. One more time I can read this lesson, first page, but after that I am going to conclude that. So next class we can read the second page and the meaning and understand and better about Happy Valley.